In this video, we're going to be solving the integral of sine x over 3x, 3 plus cos x. What we're going to be using here is a variable that is chi, and chi will be equals to cos x. The question I'm going to ask is, why are we using this chi? Because if you differentiate this chi, that is the chi, you are going to be having what? You differentiate this, you are going to have minus sine x. And automatically, it will be what is up here. Hence, our new integral will be what? Integral of chi of okay, we are going to just have the chi all over gx. Hence gx is equal to what? The chi all over negative sine x. That will be negative the chi here, because this one will cancel out, all over 3 plus 2 chi. Okay, and what now you're going to be left here is to integrate this. This can be further expanded to what? Negative integral of the chi all over 3 plus 2chi. And normally, to integrate this, you are going to be introducing a line function. What you are first of all going to do is to differentiate this 2chi, and you're going to be left with what? That will be equals to negative half ln of 3 plus 2chi. That will be equals to what? Negative half ln 3 plus, what's our chi? Cos x. That is 2 cos x plus k. And hence we come to the day 1 of integration. We are left with 29 other integral days in 29 other days. Goodbye.